Dude, today's an exciting day for me. I'm so excited.
Hi,
Dude.
this is Rex from R1. Boy, Daniel Pulido. How do you say your last name? Pulido.
What's up, guys? This is my 2009 Honda Fit. Today we're going to be doing the BBK. Right now I have the drilled and slotted rotors and ceramic pads. So this is going to be a big upgrade. It's actually better than I thought. I pretty much ordered it with peace and kind of like, it was always in the back of my head, but I never really thought about it. I kind of wanted to come in today, and it was kind of like a surprise almost when I saw it. I didn't ask for pictures. It looks even better than I could even imagine.
Going over the kit a little bit, we got a 286 millimeter front rotor, smaller 6-piston caliper, all finished with an anodized CN. So some of the reasons to upgrade is one, aesthetics. As you can see, we have the old caliper here, super beat up. I think the previous customer before Daniel actually just tried to spray paint it black because he just was tired of looking at that tired and old caliper. We have 36 different color options between anodized, painted, 2-piece rotors is going to give you a lot of good heat dissipation. Daniel went with a slotted only, cleaner look, fresh surface for that pad to bite on every time. He's going to be tracking this thing. He should see a significant amount of improvement overall going from this single caliper setup to this 6-piston.
Alright guys, so we're all done here with the install of my big brake kit. I absolutely love it. I can't wait to go drive it to see how it feels. I feel like I'm gonna stop and the car's gonna flip over because I know it's gonna stop on a dime. I absolutely love my rotors and brake pads that I had previously. I have them also on my truck, my Colorado. I'm on my second set, so they stop, guys. You guys need to check R1 Concepts out, whether you're on a budget and you just want to do rotors and pads and upgrade to a big brake kit later. You can always do that, or you can just go all out and get the big brake kit. Whatever you do, these things stop great and they do their job, and I can't wait to go rip.